and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there were three bears. There was a great big bear, Papa Bear. There was a middle-sized bear, Mama Bear. There was a teeny-weeny baby bear. They all lived together in a house in the woods. They had three chairs, a great big chair for Papa Bear, a middle-sized chair for Mama Bear, and a teeny-weeny chair for Baby Bear. They had three beds, a great big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a teeny-weeny bed for Baby Bear. And they had three bowls for their porridge. One morning, the porridge was too hot, so the three bears went for a walk in the woods while it cooled. Someone else was walking in the woods that morning. It was a little girl with golden hair. Her name was Goldilocks. She saw the three bears' house. "I wonder who lives here," she said, and she walked inside. Goldilocks saw the three bowls of porridge. She tasted the porridge in the great big bowl, but it was much too hot. She tasted the porridge in the middle-sized bowl, but it was too hot too. She tasted the porridge in the teeny-weeny bowl, and it was just right. So she ate it all up. Goldilocks saw the three chairs. She sat in the great big chair, but it was too high. She sat in the middle-sized chair, but it was too wide. She sat in the teeny-weeny chair, and it was just right. But then it broke. Goldilocks saw the three beds. She lay down on the great big bed, but it was too hard. She lay down on the middle-sized bed, but it was too soft. She lay down on the teeny-weeny bed, and it was just right. Before long, Goldilocks was fast asleep. Soon the three bears came back from their walk in the woods.
"Someone's been eating my porridge,"
said Papa Bear.
"Someone's been eating my porridge,"
said Mama Bear.
"Someone's been eating my porridge, and it's all gone,"
said Baby Bear.
"Someone's been sitting in my chair,"
said Papa Bear.
"Someone's been sitting in my chair,"
said Mama Bear.
"Someone's been sitting in my chair, and it's broken,"
said Baby Bear. The three bears walked into the bedroom.
"Someone's been sleeping in my bed,"
said Papa Bear.
"Someone's been sleeping in my bed,"
said Mama Bear.
"Someone's been sleeping in my bed, and look, she's still there,"
said Baby Bear. Just then Goldilocks woke up. She saw the three bears. They looked very angry. Goldilocks jumped out of the bed. She ran right out the house, and she ran as fast as she could all the way home.